Top 2 Samsung laptops for 2024 and cheap laptops. Welcome to the channel. Today we will explore the best-rated top 2 Samsung laptops for 2024 and cheap laptops. If you are looking for a powerful laptop with good battery life and sophisticated design, this video is for you. From laptops for studying, working, to gaming or graphic design, we have helped you choose the 2 most suitable machines. Watch the entire video to know the configuration of the machine. Top 1. Samsung Chromebook Plus VAI 2 362-in-1 laptop with dual webcam. It features a 12.2-inch Full HD Plus touchscreen, Intel Celeron 3965Y, 4 GB of RAM, and 128 GB of storage, including a 64 GB eMMC and a 64 GB SD card. It also comes with a stylus, making it perfect for home and education use, and it runs on Chrome OS. The 360-degree hinge allows for laptop mode for everyday computing, yoga mode for sharing everything, flip mode for uninterrupted movie watching, or tablet mode for more intuitive interaction. The all-metal body offers long battery life, up to 10 hours. It's powered by the Intel Celeron 3965Y processor with 2 cores, 2 threads, a 1.5 GHz base clock speed, and 2 MB of L3 cache. It includes 4 GB of LPDDR3 memory, which is soldered, and 128 GB of storage, split between 64 GB of eMMC and a 64 GB SD card. Top 2 Samsung Galaxy AI Book 4 Edge 15-inch PC laptop Snapdragon X Plus processor live caption FHD LED anti-glare display. Long-lasting battery version 2024 NP750 XQAKB2 US. New processing power, unleash powerful performance with Snapdragon X Plus. Explore new possibilities in how you create, communicate, and play in a whole new PC experience with a processor built for Galaxy AI. Connect with live subtitles. When you never miss a word, you never miss a beat, like the chat in your video calls, or the dialogue in your movies. If there are dialogues, live captions can convert them into English subtitles in real time. Screen, see everything in stunning detail on a 15.6-inch widescreen display that reduces glare. Battery life and super fast charging. Enhance your AI experience with long battery life and fast recharging with super fast charging. If you find my review videos helpful, please support me by liking, subscribing, and turning on notifications so I can notify you every time I release a video. If you want to buy a Samsung laptop like the one in this video, I leave the product link in the description. Click on the See More section.